Welcome to another video on assigning the stop signs and signal controller in a Peter Vissim. So for the stop sign, click on this stop sign, double click on it, and always put the stop sign on the right turns. Click Control, right click, and just give a click. Okay, you can copy and paste in each turns. So make sure in the merging traffic you keep a signal stop signs. This one for this, another one 3 and 4, and that's all about stop signs. And next step is signal controller. So before you go to signal controller, hit the save button over there, and in order to design a signal, go on the signal control, click signal controller, and you get a dialog box like this. Just give a right button, click it, add it, and you get some dialog box like this. Keep the type as a fixed time for this project, and you can name it, or for time being I'll just leave it a blank. After that, click on edit signal control. You can name it. After that, go, let me drag it a little bit so you can visualize what's going on. So go on signal group, left click on it, and give the phase signal group as you design manually. For my project I have 8 phases, so add it like that to make it 8, or it depends on how many phases you have in your design. After that, click on the positive sign plus, you get an individual one like that, and make sure you choose a red, green and amber for each one. After that, go to signal program. You can either do right click and add it, or you can go in this add button and click like that, and double click on the same thing with the left button. You'll see something like this with the green time, red time, and you need to double check whether you selected the green, red, amber or other things. Make sure it's green, red and amber, and keep your cycle time as you got in your manual design. For me it's for my design it's 120, so I'm gonna put in 120. Now I need to design for phases for my signal group 1, and it's for eastbound and westbound left turns. I have 18 green time, and my yellow time was 5. So you can put it manually like that. Double click on like this, double click on it, and you can edit. So I have a lost time of 2 seconds, so I can drag all like that. Now for my second one, yellow time is 5, and from 22, let's start from 26. I have 34 in my design. So I did some calculations to show how much is my green time for 26. Let me add 26 plus 34 as my green time. It's 60. So it come up to 60. So 20 to 26, I have lost time, all rate of 1 second, 5 yellow time. Now for the third one, I have 21 second. You can catch it and drag it like that. 60 to 66, 67, 68, 20 to 26, 27, 65, 6, 7, 8, 68. So for my this phase, 21, 68 plus 21. This will go up to 89. So you can drag it, make it 89, 65, 6, 7. So the fourth one, I have my green time at 18. So from 89 to 7, 89 to 'Then make sure that alright. Now my signal 1 will go parallel with 5. So I'll just edit over here, make it 20, make it 3 and 5. It comes automatic like that. And 2 will go with 6. And 7 will go with 3. And 4 will go, 8 will go with 4. Same thing, you can copy it, 94. 115, 5. So you can do your design, put the cycle time and save it. Close it. You can do OK. So now your signal groups are done, and now you need to assign the signal for each flow direction. So this is my eastbound and westbound left turn movements. So for using signal here, go to the signal here, double click on that, hold the control button, right click, and you get a dialog box like that. Select the signal group. It was 1 for this. Click OK, and similar for that. You can hold the control button, copy it by clicking the left mouse button and drag it. And you can hold the control button. It was for eastbound and westbound left turn movement, so you can drag it and keep it there. Copy signal as well. Yes. Since it is 1 and it is 5, select it as a 5. Click OK. Select it as a 5. Now you can copy it, and later you can change the signal group. For now, just copy it and keep it in each directions. Make sure never put it on a link because it won't give a signal. So just put it outside of the link, outside the, sorry, don't put it in the connector, keep it on a link. Like that. So now if after this assign everything. Let's double check it is signal 1. It is okay. Signal 1 is okay. This one should be signal 5 because signal 1 and 5 go together. It's okay. This one 5 is okay. And for eastbound and westbound through movement, I have assigned as a 2. Signal 2. Signal group 2. Signal group 2. Sorry. 2. Click OK. And this one is 4. It's almost same thing, but that's 4. 4. And now let's check for this. It is 3. And this one shows the 7. This one should be 8. Sorry, 6. And this one should be 8. Okay. Now the signal control and signal heads are done, you can check the periodic changing of colors from green to red by just running simulation. You can just hit this button, say yes. You can see the signal is working. It's changing from green to red, red to green. For now time being I haven't added the vehicle, so the vehicle doesn't move, but you can see the changes in color of signal heads. You can stop the simulation and just ignore it. So in another video we'll be discussing on adding the vehicles by creation of matrix, and we run simulation and know the vehicle performance. Thank you.